box. This just said, nope, not today. Oh my God. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. Filming room looking a little different. It's coming along nicely, but like so many things still have to be mounted, so just ignore what's happening in the background for the time being. But makeover in progress and makeover video coming soon. Okay, so I have been seeing this new dye product. This is not sponsored. This is science. This is research. This is me doing this first before you f up any of your clothes, and I'll be the sacrifice. I will be the guinea pig. We'll give it a try, give it a review, but basically it's like this dye pod that you just stick in the washing machine with all of your clothes. Like, this to me just sounds like a recipe for one, disaster. Two, it just doesn't quite compute in my head. Like, I don't fully understand. I guess if you've got powder, dye ASMR, which is what this sounds like, and you mix with hot water, that does make sense, I guess, to activate the dye, but it just does not compute. So it's a dye pod. It goes straight into the washing machine. I am very scared for the clothes that it's going in with. I am very scared, maybe even more scared for the clothes that are going into the washing machine after we do this video. I'm usually like a little about instructions, but this is a product that I will absolutely be reading the entire pamphlet that comes along with it. I think maybe I saw this on TikTok, and like, you know when something goes viral on TikTok and it just sells out literally everywhere? I had to pay 20, 30, 35 with shipping, 30, oh, 40, maybe 50? I think it was almost 50 bucks. I had to pay almost $50 to get this within the next month. TikTok, you guys always do this. Something gets popular and then it's impossible to find. So I had to buy this off some like sketchy ass website and pay a lot in shipping, and I was very scared for my credit card. Haven't been hacked yet, no sketchy charges, and the dye is here, so I think we're off to a good start. By the title, you know that we are doing everything brown, and I just want to say that one, I think brown is like a super trendy color this year that like kind of came out of nowhere. But I posted a poll on Instagram literally, what is time right now? Like, I have no concept of time. Maybe like a month ago, asking you what kind of colors of merch you want to see next. And so like, I really wanted to do something neutral. So I think it was between like a beige and a brown, a black and a brown and a white. And y'all were brown haters, like super haters. Like, we're not about it whatsoever. If you are not on the brown trend yet, that's totally fine. I think these come in different colors, and honestly, the colors that are not brown are way easier to find. So if you feel the need to dye your entire closet pink or black or blue, this is your research project, and let's go find some white, and I guess just like light colored things. I feel like light colored things would also dye brown as well. I'm nervous. The lighting in here is just absolute garbage, so ignore that. Let's see, okay, oh, is this a sign? Is this a sign? Honestly, this shirt like hangs like shit on a hanger. There's definitely some shirts that I'm not willing to sacrifice. Oh, this is kind of plain. I kind of like this sweater though. I'm like, okay, what can I sacrifice that I won't be super sad if like something tragic happens? You know what? I never wear this shirt. Oh God, this is so hard with one hand. Brown shirt, cute. More brown shirts, cute. I can't wait for my brown section to just grow so much after this video. Oh, the Wild Till 9 hoodie. No, I like that one. Oh, maybe the YouTube hoodie. This could be cute. She's got some red on the back. I don't know what's gonna happen. I really don't. I definitely should have like reorganized this and cleaned it so I didn't have to expose myself on the internet of how just like disastrous this is. Okay, this has like a pink ombre, but like what's it gonna do? I just don't know. Let's try it. Let's try. Maybe it'll just be like a darker brown on the bottom, you know? Like, I have no idea. Can I get this off with one hand? God, it's got so many straps. Oh my God, oh my God. Okay, if I'm not smart enough to get it off a hanger, I'm definitely not smart enough to dye it brown. Freedom, 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 freedom. Oh God, this is so stressful. Okay, I have more things that I'm willing to potentially sacrifice than I realize, which probably means that I'm overdue for a purge for sure. Maybe this is the send-off for some pieces. I also have a few things that aren't fully white, just for, again, for science. This is like one of those like string booby tops, and this goes like around the neck and you can tighten it, and it's got like the middle little circle thing. then I'm not doing a great job here. And so what I'm curious to see is just like what the different textures are gonna do, because these are all totally different fabrics. This is a little shirt that's got like some ruching in the front. Also, why do I feel like this has a pink tint? Do you see that? That definitely looks pink. Like, you know how whites aren't all the same white and blacks aren't all the same blacks? This is definitely like a weird pink tint. These are a pair of sweatpants that I bought for, I think, a tie-dye video that I never ended up using. I've got two tennis skirt-esque items. This one has a little black stripe moment at the bottom. This shirt is a little button up. I feel like this is a very Alicia Marie shirt, so maybe now we can just have it in brown. Another white tennis skirt. I think I bought this for a Euphoria costume at Halloween and never ended up really wearing it. I really don't know what this color is gonna do, but for science, again, I'm willing to find out. I really am. Another not white item. This doesn't fit me super great, but I love the graphic and it's super cute. So again, we're gonna see what it's gonna do. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm honestly so interested to see what happens in this video. This is a bodysuit, which I would honestly love in brown if it works out. I don't wear this one too much, but like if she were in brown, maybe I'd be a little more down. That rhymes. Ooh, this skirt is super cute, but like I just never really wear blue in like colors this light. Would love it in brown. These are like final last words before I destroy half my closet in this video. This is the shirt that I could barely get off the hanger. Our white to pink ombre tank top. Again, don't know what she's gonna do. I bought this shirt off Amazon and it came in quality that I envisioned to be a little better, but like I think actually brown with this cheetah little trim here might actually be cuter than white. Here is the YouTube hoodie, and like she needs a refresh. This is the off the shoulder top that again I would love in brown. And then I just got a 3-pack of like these little sports bras, and I feel like if anything this will just dye really well because it's just like some 100% cotton. Okay, so this is what we are working with, except for not you plastic bag. This is a solid load of laundry, so I feel good about the quantity that we're working with for this science project. This is the world's smallest. Oh, that's okay, that's the French side. Okay, we can't read that anyway. Oh, actually, that's not the world's smallest pamphlet. The shade you will achieve depends on 3 different things: fabric type, fabric amount. Oh wait, for full shade on larger amounts of fabric, use multiple packs. Okay, well it's a good thing that I bought a shit ton of really expensive pods. Dyeing to a lighter color or changing from one strong color to another is only possible by using Dylon pre-dye. We don't have that. Dyeing may not cover stains, faded areas, or bleach marks. We definitely have those. Oh, okay, so 2 cycles. Okay, so cycle with the pod, and then you run another empty cycle to remove traces of dye. That's still just like 1 cycle, still feels like not enough to take all the brown out. Oh my God, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening. I realized that 1 pod is meant for 4 t-shirts or 1 pair of jeans, and we have like 15 pieces. So to use 2 pods or more, they want you to like dump the actual dye powder into the washing machine drum. I feel like this is scarier for the actual washing machine itself. Okay, let's load her up. So everything is damp, and I don't think any of these pieces are brand new. Everything's been washed at least once. This just feels like so much dye for not that many. Like, this is completely full. That's a shit ton of dye. Oh my God, here we go, here we go. Oh, this is big scary. Like, this isn't little scary, this is big scary. Oh my God, it's just touching things. This kind of looks like hot chocolate powder. Does it not? Like toxic hot chocolate powder? Okay, it's in, it's happening, it's happening. I wanted that to be such a cinematic shot. Wait, what's happening? Oh my God, what is going on? That's like pink. Oh my God, I need to get this started right now because what? Normal, I guess. Let's turn this up. I don't know what I'm doing. Should we go fast? Yeah, I feel like fast, right? To like mix it up a little more. Okay, YOLO. Oh, she's in there. Okay, moment of truth, it's done. I'm gonna be honest, I can see something from the outside and it looks really not brown. Oh, what? Oh my God, the tennis skirt did, oh my God. Okay, so some things are super brown and some things are completely not brown at all. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Like this just said, no bitch, not today. Neither of the skirts. This has to go through a whole nother cycle now, like just by itself without the dye. Okay, now it's done for real. And it looks exactly the same. Okay, I'm gonna put it into the dryer now and then we can take a peek at everything. Oh my God. Let's pick out the white pieces. Okay, so contender number 1, we had that shirt that's got a little bit of ruching in the front. I can't tell if it changed color a little bit. I think it did. It's got like kind of weird like hue to it now. Nothing. I think literally nothing. Same thing with this one. Nothing. It's so crazy to me that like certain fabrics are just like, not today. I definitely am bummed about this top. This would have been so cute in brown. Okay, what is going on? I definitely saw after the first round of washing that there were some like weird uneven spotty parts. It's got like weird little blue specks in it. It's not super noticeable. Well, that's pretty noticeable. I'm not gonna not keep these just for like lounging because they're pretty soft sweatpants. I'm gonna call this a half win. Ooh, this is cute. This is actually cuter than I think what we started with. Oh God, damn it. It's got a little tiny bit of blue. Oh, it's got blue on the other side too. Sad. Okay, but like realistically, could you take a photo in this and get away with it? I think the answer is yes. It's a win. This got super brown. Like this is some deep ass brown. Oh, weird, like the stitching stayed completely white. Cute. Wait, so, oh wait. We've got a little bit of the blue like dot situation right there, but from far away though, here's our bodysuit. This definitely has the most blue going on all over it. It's so weird that it's got blue on it. Oh yeah, you can definitely see all like the weird discoloration, but can you see it from here? Also, why does this look so tiny? Whose arm fits in this? Here is the sports bra-esque top. I can't tell if I super hate this and it just looks like poop or if it's like a nice neutral. I don't know. We'll have to sit on that one. Oh. Oh, I have a lot of mixed emotions here. The blue situation is really killing me. I followed the instructions so intensely. Oh, this is pretty cute. This is not cute. It dyed pretty evenly. Well, damn it. Every time I'm like, oh, it looks pretty good, there's like the little blue speckies. Again, from far away, not so bad. All right, YouTube hoodie, don't let us down. I actually like the brown tone that, no! The front looks pretty good. We've got the little YouTube logo. It's like, she's bright. The back has like a massive situation happening back here. This says creator, that's supposed to be there. This is not. This is not. Oh, what is this? This might be our worst one. Oh no! No! Oh, I loved this little skirt. Oh wow, this one definitely got. I am so glad that I am being the guinea pig for this. Maybe I should have like found the YouTube videos where other people did it first so that I could have used other people for the guinea pig situation as well. It just keeps getting worse. No! The embroidery looks so good though. Now that I see it in brown, I'm like, oh bitch, this is cute. This could have been cute. This could have been cute. Again, this could have been cute, but what this? I'm so confused. I guess blue is probably just like one of the pigments that needs to be in the pod to go brown. Okay, and our last shirt, I should go in with low expectations. It's not too bad. We've got a little bit of blue dotty on the bottom. It's not the worst one. I don't think that I would encourage or condone any of this for anyone. If I was at a science fair, I would expect to receive maybe a C-. A C- feels about right. These failed. These just get a straight fail. I think I am gonna try and wash everything one more time. I'm trying to even think of like what piece turned out the best. This one has like the most richest brown color. This top was actually not too bad. Yeah, there's like no clear winner in the situation. The only thing that is clear is that this does in fact turn your clothing brown, but it's a little sketchy. It's a little sketchy, and I don't think that I give this a laurDIY stamp of approval. I really don't. I'm gonna be honest right now, this looks cute. Definitely don't get too close. Like, this is a good distance, but like, it's pretty cute. So maybe the fix is that we only wear this to a dinner where the lighting is really dim, or to like a club where you're not gonna be able to like see the color detail in depth. So if you can get your hands on a Dylon pod, let me know how it goes for you. And in the meantime, I'm gonna throw this all back into the wash and mourn the loss of a portion of my closet. All right guys, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to subscribe to the vlog channel and the podcast channel. And thanks for coming along on this journey to brown clothing with me. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next Sunday for another video. Bye guys, love you.